Ang ina nyo.
Uy, meron pala sila nabibili dun sa palengke ng street.
Gago. Meron ako lettuce bigla, gago.
Isang bukay sa ilalim.
Tatgas ka sa'yo. What is the right? Nothing beats it.
Right now, you can save 50 pounds for
Ay, dito
housing.
na lang ako, guys. Uy, baka kumakatok na.
Itong ina-ina.
Guys, nakatutusan ba niyo?
Oh my god. You think?
Yes.
Wala daw isa lahat.
Ayan, oh, go in. Oh.
Makakapain na ako.
Banana tower.
Hindi ko na nag-video.
Kayo ka. Baka ayaw sa balat mo. Hindi na daw need ng ano.
Panis. Magkatabi lang pala yung studio.
Hindi ka pwede mag-hop.
Kiyo?
Kasi tatawid ka. Para yung sa California.
Kaya,
Ayan. Pre, kamukha mo.
kag.
Mariposo. Parang ka ng jawline. Kaya jawline.
Gagawa pa tayo sa entrance eh.
Isang shark dyan.
Pre, posing daw ng shark.
Ha?
Posing daw ng shark.
Posi tayo ni Mates.
Guys, we're currently in Islands of Adventure. Third day. Any thoughts before rides?
I'm excited.
Wow! Okay, okay. Any thoughts before
Good
the
luck.
ride? Ay,
This is me
gago.
before the ride.
Wow! Ikaw. Ano
This is
thoughts
me
mo?
before the ride.
Ay, gago.
Tignan mo fresh pa ako. Tignan natin mamaya.
Kayo guys, anong thoughts niyo bago tayo mag-ride?
This is us before...
the ride.
Iba na?
Ay,
This is
gagi.
us before the ride.
Ay, gagi. Ikaw.
Kayang-kaya. Kahit kayang-kaya yan. Walang mababahagang buntot.
Ikaw.
Oh.
Thoughts?
Oh, I'm so excited.
Boss. Thoughts? Ay, gago. Hindi na naman siya nakakapagsalita. Shy type na naman. Boss. Bago pumasok. Thoughts? Ay, gago. Nonchalant ang atake.
Papay yun.
Asan? Gag... Papa, the same.
Kasi nung sa isip,
5 on 1, 5 on 2.
bakit lahat na putang ina? Walang
Hi guys!
Nakarap pa tayo.
Before the ride. Ligago.
driver. Ang left driver.
Y'all grab a seat and stow your gear. We got a rough ride ahead, so you best keep your rear end down and your hands. Nobody move. Don't even breathe.
Yun. Hey!
Fit check.
Wow!
Fit check. Fit check. Outfit check.
Narasimbang gabi pare.
Hindi na tayo makakaalis. No backing out.
Alrighty guys, when you're ready, pull down on your lap bar.
Wait lang naman. Wait lang naman. I have the lamps. Namumula na yung buka.
Sobrang init.
Tapos makurap.
Gog. Currently nag-aabang.
Oh, are you all right, Arthur?
Yes, thank you, Hackney. Just investigating this muggle tool. Fascinating. Works on echo trickery.
Right, you are. Oh, hello. I'm glad you found the place all right. I've got a very special Care of Magical Creatures class for you today. And Mr. Weasley, who many of you will remember, has kindly agreed to help with getting you around.
Wingardium Leviosa. Hagrid asked me to duplicate Sirius Black's motorbike to take you all to the edge of the forest.
Yes, and that's where I shall be showing some blast-ended screws. And either or they'll kill each other. That look promising. Oh, and I've got some Cornish pixies for you to see. And if we're lucky enough to lure one in, a unicorn.
Ah. Well, I think it's time to give this idea a go. Stand back.
Oh, that's just marvelous, Arthur.
Not bad. I think we
After beer ni Kimi. Okay lang kay May.
Go.
Gusto ko lang natin. Wait na lang.
Gawaan mo lang yung ano mo, ilaw. Pinakawag lang. Hindi yan.
Wala nga makikita.
Tapos yung sa taas yan. Yung taas yan yun. Hindi, bato ko.
Kyle,
Uy!
ano masasabi mo sa buong Hugs Meet experience natin?
Masaya.
Yo!
Ah!